Hi everyone, welcome to Bob and Yan Diaries. For today, I'll just want to share something na natutunan ko recently. I have read this phrase that says, if you cannot control people, control your reactions to them. And if you cannot control a certain situation, then prepare for it. For me, it makes sense. Especially now na ang dami nating iniisip. Mas madaling maging rude, mas magaling maging reactive, kaysa mas i-analyze yung certain things. There was this incident na bumili ako ng cheese na nasa jar. So, sa sobrang ka-excited ng kapatid ko, yung cheese na to, kinuha niya doon sa bag and then it slipped sa kanyang kamay. Nabasag siya. Initially, ang dapat maging reaction ko, magagalit. Gusto ko magalit. Pero, nung nakita ko yung mukha niya, na nabigla and natakot na baka magalit ako, so I took control of my reaction and said, okay lang yan. It's one of the few moments para sa akin that I was able to control my emotions. Pero as I grew older, naisip ko, pag nasabi ba natin lahat, would that make a difference? And would that difference be better for the both of us? I believe that is very beneficial to my being, and I hope to you as well. So remember, if you cannot control people, control your reactions to them. If you cannot control a situation, prepare for it.